Dear friends, we all know that the education is the basic need for everyone, and a quality education always help in national development. And in modern time, we are facing a great revolution in terms of knowledge globally. Keeping that in mind, our government has approved a new education policy in year 2020, and the motto of the new education policy is equitable and inclusive education, which means the
Very pleasing good morning to all of you. How are you? I am also fine. Thank you for asking me. So, firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Priyanka Kumari. I live in Jhalwa, Prayagraj. I have recently completed my graduation from Prayagraj. So, today's my topic is habit. So, firstly, what is habit? Anything you do daily becomes a habit. Once we get into it, we do think without thinking about it. Habits may be good or bad. That totally depends upon you. What kind of habit do you have? It is said that habit first cobweb, but afterwards cables. Motivation is help to get started, but habit is help to keep going. It is the secret of our success is found in our daily habit. So always build a good habit. So how to build a good habit? It has 4 rules. The first rule is small incremental.
I am from Prayagraj. Firstly, thanks to all of you for giving me this precious opportunity to speak in front of you. Today I have chosen a topic which contains a scene of my life, means my life's first tour, which is of Lucknow, means that is of Zoological Garden, which is in Lucknow. The tour was decided from my school, and it was decided by my manager and all the help of all teachers. We have excited by knowing this that we have to go on a tour in first time, and after doing that we have discussed all the things that we want to do there, and after discussing that the main problem is that how I can manage my father to let me go there. As we all know that continuous trying people will never lose. Then
Morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Farjana Siddiqui. I am from Varanasi. I have done my graduation from Varanasi. I want to become a teacher. Now my topic is importance of internet and how we can use it. The growth of internet provides many opportunity to the people in many different way. It has opened a new world from many people around the world. It allows to people to know what the government is doing. It also allows to people to improve their.
Now I am going to introduce myself. I am Anant Tripathi. I am from Prayagraj. I have done my 10th and 12th from Prayagraj. I am pursuing graduation from Allahabad State University, and I want to become a sub-inspector. Now I am going to tell you about my city. My city name is Prayagraj. It was founded by Akbar in 1583. It was named as Allahabad, which means House of Allah. Now it's renamed as Prayagraj in 2018 by Honorable Chief Minister of UP, Mr. Yogi Adityanath. Now I am going to tell you that the famous hospitals of Prayagraj are SRN, Tej Bahadur Sapru Hospital, and many more. The famous schools of Prayagraj are BHS, GHS, and St. Mary Lucas. And there is a university which is known as University of Allahabad, which is also known as Eastern Oxford. There is a famous bookseller market, which is world's second largest wholesaler market, which is known as Katra. There is a famous temples. There is famous temples like Bade Hanuman Ji, Alupi Shankari, and many more temples. And there are so many historical places like Ulta Kila Naini and Samudra Koop and Akbar's Fort. It is situated. The Akbar Fort is situated on the confluence of Ganga.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Darsh and I am from Varanasi, and now I am going to tell about my topic, benefits of yoga. Yoga improves our strength and flexibility, and yoga help to relief in back pain, and yoga also relaxed us for sleep better. It means yoga totally inspire us to live healthy lifestyle, and it promotes healthy joints and bones, and we can also get an immunity boost from yoga, and it is also good for our lungs, and from yoga we can do weight reduction and protection from injury, and yoga give relief from headache, and in yoga there are many more yoga poses, but there is a yoga pose Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is very important and useful in our life, because Surya Namaskar reduce blood sugar level, and reduce stress level, and also constipation, and improves digestion, and promote
and to use internet other. By social media we can share our thoughts and advantage of social media. So social media, present time social media is important for us, because use of social media we can share our thoughts to other, and
I think alcohol and drugs, the biggest problem of youth. Second one, communication, direction, and political and social issues. And now I am going to define communication. Communication is the biggest problem of family. Communication is the biggest problem of family. During communication, not having in the family, then youth are.
How are you guys? I'm also good. Thank you so much. Here I am to talk about the personality. As we know that we all here for communication skills, and communication skills is a major part of personality. So basically we are here for manifesting our personality. Is it right? Okay. So I'm just going to tell you about what is the basic things that requires influence our personality, such as confidence. Confidence matters a lot. For example, if I say good morning Vedika, and I say good morning Vedika, it's matter a lot. Okay. And second thing is dressing sense. You know that we are the peoples, and most of the peoples who are not aware of us, they just judge you by dressing sense. He's wearing this, it may be her personality is that. So I think dressing sense matters or influence our personality a lot, and aptitude, how we aptitude others. There are two magical words like please and thank you, how we attitude and grateful for others. And the social skills, how we interact with others. If you are not aware of people,
is etc. So to lead your life healthy, please avoid junk food. My favorite junk food is pizza, and you know, in a one slice of pizza there are 285 calories, 35 gram of carbohydrates, and 12 gram of fats, and 4 gram of sugar. I like it, but I take hardly it, because I used to take a lot of junk food and I got jaundice. So now I take
culture in the world. Indian culture is a mix of the diversities of custom, religion, language, and so on. In Indian culture always gives the priorities of the arranged marriage, and in the Indian culture. In Indian culture, guests are considered God here, and people welcomed
Advantage social media. So what is social media? Social media is become a part of our life. Social media is become part to our life. For today time, social media is being to use always all person and
Joint family. Now I am going to tell about my topic. I am not comparing about joint family and separate family. Now I am going to tell you Joint family is good according to their view of thinking skills, and separate family is also good according to their view of think. Separate family is joint family is good for everyone, and they give guidance of every small
Platform the communicate with the country and abroad, which bring you the country and abroad. It has advantage and disadvantage. First of all, advantage. Whatever is happening
in our life, English is a global language. English is the one most important for business. Studying English can help you to get a job. English speaking can help you to meet other countries' peoples. I think English is the social problem in our society. Our less English, if you want to live in the society, then you have to follow. English is the international communication language.
Important role in every individual life, and maybe we don't understand the importance of time, and but it's most vital things, and if we pass the time lazily, so we maybe regret it later. And time is the most powerful than money, because if we waste money, so we can earn it again, but time we can't earn it again. And if we punctual in our lives, so we can achieve everything. You can see many people in the
Parts and 12 schedules in our constitution. The constitution provides the constitution
is Indian culture. Indian culture is a very popular culture all across the world, because Indian culture is very famous, and that is known as India has many types of religions live, like Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Muslimism, and so.
Now I am standing here to tell you about that what is good private sector and government sector. So first one is, everyone want to become a government officer, and everyone want a government job in this time period. And in this time period to achieve a government.
From Prayagraj. Today I am standing here to represent my speech over the importance of discipline in our life. Inspired by my father, I got to know about the importance of self-discipline in my life. The possession of self-discipline enables an individual to take right decision, and
to Goa, and after that he under 16 playing in Santosh Trophy. Do you know Santosh Trophy? But I explain Santosh Trophy like cricket in Ranji Trophy, and Santosh Trophy is football. It's very big achievement. But my brother played 6 times Santosh Trophy, and that time he's Patna in government job railways. He's all
in India. Now I start. India is a peaceful and democratic country. It is 7th largest country in the world, and it is the second most populated country in the world.
I am Vedika Verma. I am from Siddharth Nagar. I have completed my graduation from University of Allahabad. Now I am pursuing B.Ed. That's it about myself. So today is my topic, who is my ideal person. And my ideal person is my elder brother. His name is Pankaj Verma. He is a businessman. And as my perspective, ideal person is that one person you learn something from him. And yes, I learned many things from him. I inspired him day by day, and I euphoric to watch his hard working. And he's a very conscientious person, and his hard working always gets me motivated. Whenever I feel demotivated, just by seeing him, and I get motivated. and he never told me to do diligent work at all. He always saying me three things.
Lord Ram had came back to their Ayodhya, and after that I go to market with my father to buy crackers, and we distribute it for the poor peoples and poor children. After that we buy clothes and donate it also.
To tell about my topic. My topic is my favorite game. There are many games in the world, but my favorite game is cricket. Cricket is very famous game in the world and also India. Cricket started in England, then it spread other countries. Cricket is played with help of bat and ball. Cricket is played many forms like Test, 20 and One Day. There are many teams play cricket: India, Australia, England and New Zealand.
So many poets are also belongs from Varanasi, like Tulsidas and Premchand. And Varanasi is famous for so many things like a BHU University and Kashi Vishwanath Temple and Assi Ghat, and most famous ghat is a Manikarnika Ghat. And Varanasi is also a tourist place. So many tourists come in Varanasi for wandering, and 120 cities.
First of all, everybody, good morning. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Uma. I live in Allahabad. So I tell you today about my city, Allahabad. Allahabad is a very beautiful city, and Allahabad has attracted many tourists and tourist places like Sangam and Anand Bhavan and High Court.
First of all, thank you so much for being this opportunity. And now I'm tell about my introduction. I'm Sakshi Gupta. I'm from Gonda district. I'm present I'm living in Prayagraj, and I'm pursuing my graduation second year. I want to become an IAS officer. That's all about my intro. Now I'm tell about who's my ideal person. So my ideal person is my father. His name is Mr. Lupsad Gupta, and he's a businessman and also politician. My father started his life from scratch. And
everyone? Okay. Good morning, respected teachers. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, how are you? I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Now I'm going to tell about myself. My name is Bhavna Sonkar. I live in Police Line, Prayagraj. I have completed my graduation from the University of the Allahabad. Along with, I am pursuing the Chartered Accountancy course, in which I have cleared the CA Foundation and preparing for the CA Intermediate. Now I am preparing for the CUT PG for the post-graduation. Thank you. That's all about my introduction. Now I'm going to give the speech on the topic of role of a teacher. Firstly, dear teachers, I want to say heartfelt thank you to you all. Teachers are the ones who opens the mind of one's young students to the world. They impart their knowledge and provide their best efforts, and they also provide what the matter important for us. Teachers have a lot of students in their life, and they all look same in the eyes of the teachers. Teachers are like a second parent of the student. They have a fair share in the molding of the student. From the time child is around 4 to 5 years old. As we know, teaching is considered as a noble profession. Good teachers have never think about their success and endeavor. They always think about their student future success, and their efforts always provide for the student. Now I am only says that
कि कैसे करूँ तारीफ़ आपकी, नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ कि कैसे करूँ तारीफ़ आपकी, वो लफ्ज़ नहीं मेरे पास जो बता सके अहमियत आपकी. Thank you so much for all of you.
Wasir Raza. I'm from Phulpur, Prayagraj. My topic is the mountain man, Dasrath Ram Manjhi. He is 78 year old, and his two childs, and he is do the many hard work.
From Basti,
Currently, I live in Prayagraj because I am preparing the government exam. And my topic is why we should avoid junk food. We should avoid junk food because we should avoid junk food because
Good morning, everyone. I am Harsh Gupta. I am from Allahabad, and I have done my 10th and 12th from Allahabad, and now I am pursuing graduation from the University of Allahabad. And my topic is job versus business. So today's life, all youths are focusing on their jobs to get jobs.
not about making women stronger. Women are already strong. It is about changing the way the world perceive that strength. Feminism is social and political movement that advocates for the rights of the ground of the equality of gender. It is not deny biological differences between the.
My name is Mohammad Sadan. I am from Pratapgarh. Now I am going to tell the man who gave India wings. It was Jahangir who gave. He was popularly known as JRD. He was born in Paris in July 29, 1904. His father was Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata was Parsi and mother Suzanne Perrier was French. Tata's childhood was spent between traveling France.
Indian dress in desi type dress in dhoti kurta and desi type dress is very respect Indian culture and Indian food is vegetarian.
I am from Prayagraj. Currently I live in Jhusi and I have completed my graduation in technical field. So I have completed my engineering in electrical engineering. I am very passionate about engineering because engineers are superheroes according to me because they can do anything except engineering. It's a taunt. So my topic is NEP, the National Education Policy, which was approved by Union State.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mansi Sukla. I am from Prayagraj. Now I am going to tell about my topic. My topic is Indian culture vs Western culture. Indian culture has a variety of religion like Hindu, Islam, Sikhism, Christian, Buddha and Jain. But Western culture mostly belong to Christian.
My topic is Western culture and its negative impact. Western culture is a modern and advanced culture. You can see Western culture is follow United States of America, Finland, Germany and other part of European country. They are developing country because they want to desire happiness and etc. In survey 2018, the information which has come from United States.
Good morning, teachers. Good morning, all of you. Now I am going to tell about myself. My name is Soumya Singh. I am from Pratapgarh. Currently, I live in Prayagraj. That's all about my short intro. Now I am going to tell about my topic. My city is Prayagraj. My city's name is Prayagraj and it is very beautiful city. There are many temples like Lete Hanuman Mandir, Sai Mandir.
Good morning to all of you. Now I am going to introduce myself. My name is Manisha and I am from Prayagraj. Today's my topic is social media. According to me, social media is a great platform to connect people around you for use collecting information. The platform allow individual and organization to connect and communicate with each other, sharing photos, videos, ideas, etc.
My name is Pragat Tripathi. I am from Pratapgarh. I have done my 10th and 12th from Prayagraj, Devprayag School and College. Currently pursuing my graduation from United Institute. So today's my topic is communication. Communication is a process by which we can share our thoughts, feelings and emotion with other persons, and there are two types of communication, verbal and non-verbal. In verbal communication there is also two part, written and oral. Many people.
How are you, sir? I am also good, sir. Thank you for asking. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I am also good. Thank you for asking. Now I am going to introduce myself. My name is Yashika Shavani. I am from Prayagraj and I am pursuing graduation. My topic is my country. Now I am going to tell you something about my country. My country name is India. It is very famous country in the world. It is famous in the world for their culture and tradition. India is surrounded by the sea on three sides. On the basis of the population, it is the second largest country in the world, and on the basis of land, it is 7th largest country in the world. Delhi is the capital of.
My name is Shreya. I am from Varanasi. I complete my graduation from Varanasi. Now I am preparing for teaching exam. That's all about my short intro. Now I am going to tell about my city. The name of my city is Varanasi. Varanasi is the oldest city in world. It is situated on the bank of river Ganga, and name of Varanasi has been derived from Varuna and Assi, to tributary river of Ganga.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Swati Misra. I am from Prayagraj. So today's my topic is about my city. So my home city name is Prayagraj. As you know that Prayagraj old name was Allahabad. It is situated in Uttar Pradesh state of India.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Fatima Khatun. I am from Gazipur. Currently in Manmohan Park. I want to be good teacher. That's all my short intro. I would like to tell about my topic, print media. According to me, print media is most important in our life and everyone.
How are you all? I am also fine. Thanks for asking. First of all, I want to give my introduction. My name is Shivam Vishwakarma. My hometown is Amethi, and at this time I am living in Allapur, Prayagraj. And my topic is importance of newspaper. As we know that newspaper is very important for our daily life. By reading newspaper, we learn about our daily news, about daily current.
Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of the others. Thank you.
I am Ruchi Yadav from Pratapgarh. I have done post-graduation in English from University of Allahabad. That solved my intro. My topic is my favorite festival. My favorite festival is Deepavali. Deepavali is celebrated on occasion Lord Ram come back to exile after 14 years. First of all, I bought two clock for every सूरत पे मोहन दिल दीवाना हो गया एक तो